fun wooden puzzle from Coogam. We have a tray, 16 puzzle pieces, different size, color, shape. Also, the piece can be played both ways. We have a booklet with 60 challenge from easy to difficult. At the end of the booklet, you're going to find the solutions. Also, for the tray, like you can see, this size I have a different cutout than this side, meaning that this piece can go here, or maybe inside of the tray. We cannot go there. That does not fit. The only way is to place the piece like that or like that. With the piece like that, they're never going to work. We can take a challenge. I don't know, challenge number 30. You're going to place onto the tray the piece as shown on the picture. In this case, we have this one. We have also this piece. Alors, we have this one. I don't know, looks like a shark to me. Alors, we have the purple. We have the red piece. We have this one, like you can see. Alors, next we have this piece, pass this way. The other purple piece, we have this piece, one. We have also this one, and this big piece going here. And that's it. And we have 5 pieces left, and we need to place the piece on the tray. Alors, this piece, let's see, this piece can go here. How it work? Alors, this piece looks like a plane to me. I have too much imaginations. Next, we have this piece. Let's see. I'm going to place this piece this way. Alors, this piece can go here, and this piece can go there. And it was a challenge 30. Let's see if we have the same solution, so maybe another one. Like you can see, it's not the same way. Donc, to find another solution, it's possible going to find another solution. And when you have done all the challenge, you can make your own challenge. You can pick up whenever you want. You can decide, I'm going to organize the piece in such way, yellow and yellow touch. Okay, we have yellow, so only 2 yellow. You want all the green piece touching. We have all green piece touching, as you can these 2. You can choose to have, let's see, maybe red piece touching. We have this, we have encore this one. Red piece need to touch, all the red piece touch. We can maybe decide to have also, okay, let's see, orange and orange touching. Okay, that's touch. I have this one, all the orange piece touching. We can decide to have, let's see, not color, I don't know. If not going to work, let's see, this color, it's like a green. Okay, green and green touching. Okay, it's done. Blue. Okay, blue touching. Blue and blue touching, and the rest purple. Now, purple need to touch. And like you can see, in that case, it's not working. Now, you can try to find another solution for that. Let's see. This piece can go here. What can I place there? If you want purple with purple, I think no, it's not working. Oh, not like that. Maybe like that. Oops. Okay. Oops. Okay, purple touching, but there is no solutions for that. I'm going to change. That's this way, not touching. Okay, an orange, and this piece. like you can see, it's not... I need to change. Let's see. If I place this piece here, this one can go there, and this one does not go like that. Okay, this one will be here. That's not working. Let's see. If I change, let's see. This one can go here. Orange need to touch. Orange need to touch. Let's see. That will be good. This one can go. This one can go. That does not go. This one cannot go like that. Okay, this one can go, and this one, yes, done. Whew. Like I say, you can make, create your own challenge. You can make next time, I don't want to have the same color touching, and so on and so on. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment, and until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.